This is head-to-head India when we Singapore again at home from India lost 0-2 in international friendly match in FIFA in 2013 and India lost again 0-2 to Singapore in international friendly match again in FIFA and they draw 1-1 in international friendly in FIFA again. And the next one is they are draw again 1-1 in AFC Asian Cup qualify to 2027. And now we go to India last 5 match before meet Singapore again at home. India win 2-1 to Tajikistan in CAFA Nation Cup 2025 and they lost 0-3 to Iran in CAF Nation Cup again and they draw 0-0 to Afghanistan in CAFA Nation Cup in 2025 again and they draw 1-1 to Oman in CAFA Nation Cup again and they won penalty. And they draw 1-1 to Singapore in AFC Asian Cup qualify to 2027. Now we go to Singapore last 5 match before meet India at away. Singapore win 3-1 to Maldives in international friendly match in FIFA. And they won again, they won Bangladesh 2-1 in AFC Asian Cup qualify to 2027. And they lost 1-2 to Malaysia in international friendly match in FIFA again. And they draw 1-1 to Myanmar Puma in international friendly match in FIFA again. And they draw 1-1 to India in AFC Asian Cup qualify 2027.